Virgo Nation, this is what they call sugarloaf pine. And just like that, look at this. This is just amazing. I have a smaller one over here. And I'm gonna pick as well because this one is definitely ready. So it's much smaller than this one, but you know, it's ready. Yep. I realized that this tree that looked like it was dying, this tree behind me right here, which is a sweet sap tree, which is Liz, can you say most favorite? And the other day, honestly, the entire tree looked like it was dying, and we just left it and it spring up again, and it's now bearing fruits. This lime tree is looking lively. Seems like it wants to bear something as well, because this didn't look so green the last time we saw it. The banana trees springing up back, you know. And you're probably tired of hearing me talking about this jimbling tree, which is just doing amazing, you know, until I lie. Throughout the entire year, you know, from the very first day we came here, this tree has been producing fruits, which is amazing, you know. Alongside this fruit tree is a soursop tree. The other day I thought that it was done, and then in less than 2 weeks, some big soursops on it as well. And as I said, banana trees, you probably can see them in the background as I walk. They are just springing up. One of the things that amazes me the most now about what is growing here is this pear tree that is right here beside me. You know, in the background there's a jackfruit tree. I feel like the jackfruit tree is gonna take time before it starts bearing jackfruits. Look at pears. You know, peared up on the trees until it bend. You see that? And Horace used this stick right here to basically just catch his limb so it don't break. And them nice too, like some nice pear. Well, apple tree seems like one of them things that will bear throughout the year as well. It is right over here to my right. I saw some beautiful apples in it earlier on, and they fell off, and then more came and then they fell off. But I appreciate Horace so much. He's the one who has been taking care of this property from maybe over 20 years. I remember specifically they told us that this man works with us. So, you know, without a doubt, it was an honor, it was a pleasure to just, you know, continue working with him. And he's doing an amazing job, I must say, so far. And yeah, see a mango drop off a tree. We have a, I think I told you guys already, we have a Julie mango tree in our yard. And, you know, like mango does have, you know, you'd have feel like, yo, summer soon done. So, no mangoes. But, see them, you can touch, you know. So, Virgo Nation, what I just did was to remove the top of the pines. And I'm gonna see if I can plant them. And hopefully they will catch. I'm gonna dig up a little spot over there in the corner where the others are growing, and then I'm gonna see if they will work. Somebody can tell me if I do this right. But for what I remember, when we were at Stush in the bush, see that I do it right. So, for all of the farmers out there who know the thing go, can let me know. Or maybe should I make it dry first? That was it? Maybe no. Jeez, I wonder if I do it right. No, first try. If I fail, I go again the next time with. I call this one now. I call this one dry. Yeah, I think, yo, Jano, I wonder if I fail. Well, I the only way I can learn. If me feel and then, you know, I just go again. So, I'm gonna plant this one as well. This one is dry. Alright. So I don't look too bad. But I hope I did the right thing. I think about it, Virgo Nation, and I feel like the last time we saw somebody planting pine, well, I even plant one of them. I just feel like they were dry. And like we were even stripping off before pushing it down. It's a feeling, I know. But, yo, sometimes in life, as I said earlier, you have to feel to learn. You know, so if I come back after a while and I feel like them not catch, then we know for the next time. I just feel like I should put down the top for at least a few days and then come plant them. But there you go. So bro, what you say? We finish now? We done.
Done.
And we can move in and face now, sir. You sure, sir?
Suitcase, what is that?
But I feel like you are focused on the mango, you're too much. You're not hearing me, I say. What you say? We done.
Let me done first. Then we talk.
Done.
I know you tree this.
No, it's a neighbor them tree. But I'm glad that we neighbor.
Just make friend with it. I'm going to tell, oh, you know, so. Go for tell, say, make sure say I'm my friend.
Bro, we have mango. You know, we have a little mango around this, right?
Which one?
Run nice head around this one.
Brother, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Be that with the neighbor. With the mango, yeah?
Trust me.
State Farm.
Believe me, brother.
State Farm, State Farm.
Sweet. Virgo Nation is the sweetest mango.
Virgo, me don't know if Virgo Nation, anybody know where the mango your name? You have to go run go find a mango for sure. Because that one is not a very good way to identify the mango right now. But the mango, yeah, I eat.
I hate mango.
Yeah, man, they beat any East Indian and all of them.
Yeah.
Expensive and dear. Mango expensive and dear, brother.
Oh gosh. Man done consuming mango, Virgo Nation.
Yes.
So him get that out of the way so him can talk too loud and clear now. Our glasses him and go for image of it up. You think me never noticed that, you know, but me not say that to him. Man say image of it up, you don't know.
Yeah.
Yo, you see, artists just can't come out of with some time, you know. It's a wall.
It's the artistry. It's the artistry.
I was searching for that word.
That's the word.
I couldn't find it a while ago. But yeah.
Yeah.
So you're saying no, Omar.
Yes, Virgo Nation.
That-
This segment of the renovation, I would like to call it, what was the title? Hold Me with Omi.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm
Yeah, that's our vibe.
Yeah.
That's our vibe.
We want to call this segment Hold Me with Omi because we have completed all electrical, plumbing, roofing. We did concrete, structural work, change windows. We basically build a brand new house.
Yeah, we do more than what we did bargain for do.
God is good.
Trust me, God is. You said the right thing. God is.
Yes.
He's just amazing, because we never expect it to look anything like this that it looks like now. To be honest with you, Virgo Nation, and him did a video show the entire journey if you see. You know what I mean? Where we go and one time we feel like say you're GM. we can't go no further.
No.
And then the Almighty just create ways and means.
Now we're here standing, discussing. Okay, we're going to start cleaning.
Exactly.
That's a big jump
gosh.
from oh my God, how are we going to do this?
You know what I mean?
So, okay, now we can start cleaning.
We're here.
We're here.
Done.
Furniture now need to start moving and it's a big jump from where we started. So Virgo Nation, we have a lot, and thanks to everybody for all the well wishing and the prayers that they sent up when you and Lizzie decided to to take on this project. And I know it was a very big undertaking. It is something that you guys have never done before in your life. I mean, we did a minor one at the apartment.
Yeah. I'm never there. I think really.
But you've never taken on anything of this magnitude, and I must say kudos to you guys.
Yeah, man.
You know, for your bravery and also for trusting me. You know, to kind of direct the whole operation.
You have views in the organization?
I have views, man.
Yeah.
I have little use.
You have little use. We're not like.
Man, and so far, organization, I must tell you, I can't wait for the big reveal. People start seeing me on the road. Hey, house not done yet. But when them see me in the capacity of artists, so me never remember say me I build that to me. I say, which house? So Virgo them thing, I say, yeah man. It's love, it's all love, it's all love, you know. But that's how it is when you wear. Remember, I'm a man of many different hats, you know. Sometimes I wear peacock, sometimes I wear felt.
Plant faced.
It depends on how I felt about it.
Yo, it's so nice to be back in Miami, bro. We miss Miami, man. Yo, do that again. Oh, can't show you car license. Not do it again. Yeah. But it's so nice to be in Miami, man.
Man, may I tell you, foreign, nothing
like being in foreign, man. That's how we do it, bro.
So I feel like Pinky on the brain. So
what are we doing?
Same thing we do every day, brother. Try to do the house of a movie in bread.
Yeah. And guys, if you didn't know, we have one of these in Miami.
Mega mad.
We cleaned the place the other day, I'm not lie. We get the place a decent, proper cleaning. Professional company come in and clean. But we still have to clean.
You have to put your touch.
Yeah, you have to do your thing. So I call it how we get a rough clean.
Post construction.
Yeah. And then we have to go do a thing, you know. Disappointment is not even a word. I'm never want clean. I'm going to be honest with you. I never want to do nothing. I never want to touch nothing.
That's why you pay people to do it, man. But so this is a Michael dog.
My mother sent me the telly, you know. By the way, mommy is in town now, Virgo Nation. And she and the girl, them are going chilling now.
Bro, you know, I wish we find one professional. Some professional.
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you no lie. Well, I know you want to be kind, but sometimes you have to be cruel to be kind because we want people to start with better. People they want advertise their business and say they are a company that specializes. I don't know an easy word that you know. Specialize in a particular thing.
Yeah.
We expect so when you come and you give a figure.
Yeah, I'll get the money's worth. But guess what? Sometimes in life, and that's something I always realize. Sometimes you have to pay for learning. Yeah. And nothing like that about it, you know that?
No. Say, you know, it's a thing with distasteful, but why? More want the man them do better. Anybody will offer any service at all, no matter what it is.
Yeah, just take some pride in it.
Take some pride in it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's But yeah. So me and Omar mesh. I'll do some things. Hopefully Liz can chip into if she get to leave work early.
We shall meet you afterwards.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll do what we can do. I call it fine-tuning.
Yeah, fine-tuning.
Yeah,
make it habitable now.
Yeah. Steam it out.
Yes. Blue light.
Yeah. But we're on our way there in Virgo Nation, so you don't know. Yeah, you know. So Virgo Nation, the time has finally come where I'm about to go on tour for a very long time. It's gonna be like probably a month and a week, starting the end of this month.
Been excited?
It's a bittersweet moment, but not gonna lie. For many different reasons, you know, I'm happy that I'm going back on the road. I know this is what I call it now, livelihood. This is what I love doing. This is what I enjoy doing. If me say my baby, Liz, I go say, yo, me think I'm your baby. Like
No,
last
man,
time.
me know that.
No, but yeah, I am so happy that we're getting to go back on the road and do what I love, sing my heart and my soul out for you all. We kick off this tour in New York, Queens to be exact.
When?
It is the 31st of this month, 31st of July.
New York people, you hear that?
Yeah, so all of my New York people, can't wait for soon now. It's me and Chris on stage one time. This is more than special. So I'm really looking forward to this first one. I think after that we'll leave and we'll go to Europe. I have one show in Europe, in Belgium, Reggae, and then we'll come back, we'll go back to LA side. We're gonna be in LA for a while. I have a drag festival there and I have quite a few club shows. Over that side we have...
What next Virgo Nation there, LA?
Of course, Virgo Nation is everywhere, right? And then I'm gonna have some shows in Texas as well. And where again? Me even go back in New York, Brooklyn, to be exact, for reggae and soca tip. Oh, you have it there.
Let me try pull it up.
Yeah.
So me say Texas, like you're all over Texas. You're in Austin, Dallas, Houston, and then you go back to LA actually.
Yeah.
And well, Lafayette is LA?
No.
Is in Europe somewhere?
No, it's in the US.
It's in the US?
Yeah.
LA, Los Angeles. No, Los Angeles is a city. What's LA? Louisiana?
Yes.
Louisiana, okay.
Yes.
And then you're back to New York. So you're going to Louisiana?
I think this is my first time in Louisiana as well. So I am really and truly looking forward to it. But, and there are more dates to be added to this. I think we have show even on the 27th of August. I think what you're seeing now. And we posted this on our channel, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
On the community page.
So you can go in the community right now, Virgo Nation, and you can view the flyer or the poster with all the dates so far. There are new dates to be added, and it's just a blessing, to be back on the road.
Gratitude is a must.
We are forever grateful. I can't wait to see all the Virgo Nation supporters come out, and tell me if you're a Virgo Nation supporter when I see you at the show. I'm happy. And
so it should be a combination of Virgo Nation and Romain Virgo supporters.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can't lift them up to that.
If you hear my voice sound a little weird, it's because
I was gonna say something about that,
yeah, I've been rehearsing. I rehearsed for 5 hours straight today. 5 hours, straight.
Yes.
And then I left from there and I went to studio, and I spent the next hour in the studio at least, singing, because that is how it is. Normally before I travel, I always have to do a bag of things before I leave. So. I know that my voice would sound like this. When I'm on tour, I won't be singing for that long each night, 5 hours. So I'll be good. But yeah. So it's a bittersweet. That's the sweet part, I guess. The bitter part is that I'm leaving right before the moment we were moving. It's just the other day we say, all right, now we're basically finished with everything. It's time to give Virgo Nation a little house tour. I think you guys deserve that.
Yeah, the empty house tour.
Yeah. Empty house tour. Yeah, especially the genuine Virgo Nation supporters who have been there with us from day one. Some people watch the channel but they're not really subscribed. So, they don't get to see a lot of things in some videos that would be, special and so forth. So we encourage you, if you're watching right now and you haven't subscribed to our channel, to tune in, because we have so much to share with you guys.
You really think we still have people that watch and don't subscribe?
Of course. I think sometimes when you watch the videos and they give you a breakdown at the people who are viewing, they will tell you a percentage who are subscribers and people who are non-subscribers. And then sometimes you're like, this amount of people don't subscribe and I watch. We're pre, well, not pre, and not subscribe. We feel funny.
You know what's funny? Some people watch YouTube, but they they don't sign into their
Gmail
account to be able to subscribe or to be able to like or to be able to interact.
Yeah.
Some people don't know, you know. Yes, so now you know.
Now you know. You do what you're supposed to do. But yeah, bitter that I am going away right within this moment, you know, and even though I will be away, you don't know, we still are going to try our best to keep the thing going. At least I got to turn up
as best as possible.
The thing as best as possible. You know, at least I'm going to take on the road enough. Make sure it's a Virgo Nation. Get them videos. And you know, we kind of mix the work. Why you look at me so? You can do it, man.
For
sure. Yeah, we're gonna try and mix the vibe, you know, while I'm there, you know, and what is going on here in Jamaica. It's at the point where we'll be, you know, taking our time and, you know, moving in one and two other things that we would need in the place, right? You know, so hopefully I will be coming back home to, you know, somewhere I can sleep.
Yeah, man, we're gonna try our best. It's a matter of balancing everything. When we don't want to go on the road and not worry about we out here, we'll be fine.
Yeah.
We just pray for the Almighty's divine protection and guidance.
Yeah, as
we
always
you on
do.
the band while you're on the road, so that you can go out there and execute.
Alright, coach.
Go out there, execute, yeah, man, and just make sure that every single audience that you guys go in front of leave just as pleased as you guys are when you enjoy yourself doing what you love. Yeah, man, it's gonna be great. I know, say it's been a long time coming here. I look forward to this. From few months into COVID, you start get homesick and I miss the road, I miss the concerts, miss the people. So this is really good.
You mean road sick? Yeah, that's why I get homesick.
What homesick mean? Homesick means
homesick is when I want to come back home.
Oh, so?
Yeah.
Well, homesick technically, well, alright, because you feel at home when you're on the road. Yes, Liz, you get yourself.
Alright, go on with it.
Yeah, thanks.
Run with it. Run with it.
Yeah, man, but it's a good look, and we give thanks. Even though you say bittersweet, Romain, no bitter in it for me. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for the band. You guys really deserve this, you know? And it's only the beginning.
Yeah.
So what I ask, I say this on camera, protect your voice. Remember I sing.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes we can get caught up in the excitement, but it's a use. So we ask for protection for all of this. You know, so that you can deliver.
Yeah.
As you should.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, like the archangel.
This is the longest. This is the longest now I'll go away from you guys. You realize that, right?
Yeah, you know, a while ago when you thought, I try to remember if you ever leave for so long.
No, maybe a week the most or two.
No, man, you leave for 3 to 4 weeks already. Europe, same way.
When?
Not since the baby them born, you know.
What
that did it mean? Oh, me not talk in general, like if from we know each other, you were so long.
I thought from COVID start, like.
No, man, definitely the first. Definitely the first.
Yeah, so.
One day if the baby them I go vex with you.
I'm probably not business with me when I come back. Wonder who this man?
Not them, no man, them. But they love you.
Oh gosh, but I'm happy and a little sad.
Don't be.
Yeah, but Virgo Nation, I don't know, it's gonna be beautiful, and as you say, we'll keep it up, you know, because we know that you guys are really inspired by what we do, and you guys love what we share with you. So
You guys love to laugh.
yeah, yeah, you love the little that we share with you, and we appreciate that.
A lot.
Yeah, man, thank you for your love and your support from the start of this channel.
Yes.
You know, and you can only get better. We'll continue to grow, you know, and I'm just pleased and happy to say that we reach this point now where our next video Virgo Nation will be
inside
our new home, I must say. You know, we're gonna make so many memories in this new home. We can't wait for that moment, or those moments I should say. So next week,
preparing ourselves, guys. Come prepared.
Yeah, we're proud of it. And you can,
I hope you love it.
yeah, and we hope you will.
We hope you will love it.
Yeah.
After all this wait, we hope you won't be disappointed.
Honestly.
Yeah.
So we look forward, you know, and tell a friend to tell a friend, you know, especially the people who, as I said, always a support me. I feel like you guys deserve to see how far we've come.
Please.
You know? So until then, we'll see you. Alright?
See you on Sunday, guys.